As in, sobra.
Sobra. As in yung tipong, alam mo yung chismis ng lahat? Or you're just very, you know, out there. Talkative, makwento. Makwento ka talaga. O, sige.
Pag ako nagsimulang magkwento, hindi matatapos yan buong araw.
Sige,
Pumunta ka dyan lang. Joke lang. Okay, ganun ako talaga. Pag pinagkwento mo ko, akin na buong stage.
Oh my gosh, you don't let anyone speak.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is your personality, which is nice. Very entertaining indeed. Okay, sige. Let me see. Nice and Slow said, tall, dark, and never mind.
Siya daw yun.
Tall, dark, never mind. I know, sa never mind, sabi ni Jan Soliveres. And Sense and S, maingay talaga yan, lalo pag lasing.
Sino yun?
Sabi ni... Oh, wait lang. Ang bilis ng chat box. O sige, mamaya na. And Miss Peachy, patingin ng armpit. Please, birthday. It's my birthday. It's your gift. By the way, hi to Captain Jeffrey from Scotland. Hi, Jeffrey.
Jeffrey.
All the way from Scotland. Thank you very much. Sige, let's go on a break. You love bannets?
I love bannets.
Sige. Well, it's a new banat from Kim Poy. It's his comeback. A very short one. Enjoy this latest banat.
Uy, Kuya Kimpoy! Kuya Kimpoy, nandiyan ka pala. Alam mo, may nakita akong chicks kanina, nakatingin sa'yo. Nandun, nakita ko, oo. Nakita ko. Pero, tingin ko may gusto sa'yo eh, may gusto sa'yo eh. Sa tingin ko, bigyan mo nga ng isang banat. Baka ito.
I'm Christian Bautista.
Jessica Carmensu.
This is Brennan. Gary V. Martin Rivera.
Sarah Abelian.
This
is Joey.
Hi, I'm Angela. Design Sanctuary. Luke Chigay. This is your Pinoy boy, Mikey Bustos. Fernando Tor Montero. I'm Bustos. You are watching.
Welcome back to the show once again. You're watching. Okay, so first game na gagawin natin, it is called the memory game. Obviously, you have to have your memory, or else you will lose. And if you lose, you will have theirs. And when we make you do theirs, you must do this with conviction. Okay? Yung mga theirs natin would consist of very scary things. Okay? Are you good with memorizing things or anything like that? Medyo. How did you do in school?
Okay naman.
O, sige. So, ito na. Memory game, let me have that. Ang gagawin mo is... Ano bang gagawin mo? You're gonna memorize a couple of the words here. So, dapat, dito. Hindi yan. Sige, close your eyes. Sige. Ito yung mga words na i-memorize niya. Dapat makuha niya lahat ng ito at kung hindi, nako. Ay, tumitingin ka.
Hindi ako tumitingin.
May dare siya. Okay? So, I will give you 1 second.
1 second.
Let's just check if her memory is really good, okay? So 1, 2, 3, I'll give you 5 seconds. Memorize this. If you do not, you will have it there. That's really scary. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Alright, memory game starts now. What did you see? Ay, nakita mo ate. Ano nakita mo? Go.
Blue lollipop. Car.
There's no car here.
Ay, wala bang car?
Walang car.
Ayun. Nakita ko.
Blue naman? Blue lollipop lang?
Blue lollipop. Yun lang nakita ko.
Okay, well, there you have it. At dahil hindi mo nagawa yun, alam mo, yung mga tao, 1 second na memorize. Pero, it's okay. We understand. You zoomed all the way here. So, ito ang dare mo. Magja-jumping jacks ka 10 times. Oo. Ang 1, tama. Dapat talagang exercise, ha? Alright?